Let's learn colors with ball-pounding tables. What color is this?
Green.
Can you tell me which color this is?
Yellow.
Do you know this color?
Blue.
And this one?
Red.
Green. Yellow. Blue. Red. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Red. Green. Blue.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3.
Your turn.
Now ready? Whoa. Green. Already green. Ah, we go!
I had fun playing. Did you?
Yeah, wow.
Let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and our last car, number 7. We have 7 cars. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, and purple. Now that we have our cars sorted, let's put them in garages. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 garages that go way up high. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. 1 car for each garage. Let's figure out where each car goes. Here's the number 1. Where does the number 1 car go? Right here, in the 1 garage. How about the number 2? Do you know where the number 2 goes? Let's see. All the way up here into the number 2 garage. Next we have number 3. Where does the number 3 go? Let's see. Right here. Now it's the number 4's turn. Where do you think the number 4 goes? I'll bet it goes right up here in the number 4 garage. The next 3 garages are way up high, so we have to look up. Here's the number 5. Where do you think the number 5 goes? Right up here. Next we have the number 6. Where do you think the number 6 goes? Did you say here? Good job. That's where the number 6 goes. Our last car is the number 7. The number 7 goes, whoa, way up high in the number 7 garage. Alright guys, let's see if Genevieve would like to play.
This is the number 1. Okay, put the rain number 1. Put a car like this.
Good job.
Make it number 3. Okay, it's down here. Down big on together.
What's next?
How about 4?
The number 4?
Yes. They're real tall.
Oh, what goes inside?
Okay, number 4, what this?
There you go. What number is that?
5. Good. Then put the numbers and up here. Okay, real tall. Put a car like this.
Yeah? Cool. What is that?
Alright, it's number 6. And real tall, too.
One fall.
Roses.
Good job.
It's a real tall.
I know, it's really tall. Alright, what number is that?
And 7, real up high. 7, what then? Oh no, they turned around!
Oh no, they're turned around.
It didn't want this sign. Is it here? It's right, it's number 6. Put it here, great job. About number 7.
Yeah, number 7?
It's number 7.
Good job.
About number 5. Number 5.
Good job.
Oh, it's number 4.
I see it.
It's number 3.
Good job. What's next? What's in this one?
1, 2. 2.
Good job.
It's number 2.
Alright. What's in that one?
1. It's number 1.
Good job.
Look, it's getting filled out.
Oh no. Oh no, number 1. Oh, they all fell down.
So, bye. See you.
Bye. See you later. Look, Evie. Elmo's on the go letters. You want to
Open.
You want to open it? Let's see.
We say letters.
Got letters?
Letters.
What letter is that?
A.
Good job. Where does the A go? Good job. What letter is that?
B.
Good job. Can you put the B? What letter is that?
C.
Good job. Where does the C go?
D.
Good job.
A.
What letter is that?
D.
Good job.
And D was
What's next?
E.
What letter is that?
E.
Good job. Where does the E go? Good job. What letter is next? What letter is that?
F.
Good job. Where does the F go? What letter is that?
G.
Good job. Where's the G go? Good job. What letter is that?
H.
Good job. Where's the H go? What letter is that?
I.
Here you go. Where's the I go? Good job.
J.
What letter is that?
J.
Where's the J go? What letter is that?
K.
Good job. What letter is that?
L.
Good job. Where's the L go?
L is in
What letter is that?
M.
Good job. Where does the M go? What letter is that?
M.
N?
And
Good job. Where's the N go?
and go.
What letter is this?
O.
Good job. Where's the L go? What letter is that?
P.
Good job.
This one.
Where's it go? All right. Need help? The tricky one. What letter is that?
K.
What letter is that?
Q.
Q. Good job. Where's the Q go? Good job. Need help? There you go. What letter is that?
R.
Good job. Where does the R go?
Peppa J.
Need help? There you go. What letter is that?
S.
Good job. Where does the S go?
Daddy.
What letter is that?
T.
T. Good job. Where does it go? Good job. What letter is that?
U.
Good job. Where does the U go? What letter is that?
K.
What letter is that?
V.
V. Good job. All right. What letter is that?
W.
W. Good job.
W go.
Oh yeah, where's the W go? What letter is that?
X.
Good job. Where does the X go?
Bunday.
What letter is that?
Y.
Good job. Where does the Y go? All right. Last one.
Z.
C. Good job. Where does the Z go? Where does it go?
Daddy's turn.
Daddy's turn to do it? Okay. I think it goes right there.
A. B. C.
What letter is that?
D. E.
What letter is that? Good job.
C. H. I. J. K. L. M.
Good job. What is that?
M.
N.
O.
Good job.
P. Q. R. S. T. U. B. W.
Good job.
X. Y.
And?
Z.
Good job. You want to play with the pool?
Yeah.
All right, let's fill it up with rainbow candy.
Red.
What color candy is that?
Red.
Red. You want to put it in the pool?
C.
Pour it in. There you go. Whoa. What color candy is that?
Green.
Green. Let's put the green in there. How about that color?
Blue.
Let's put the blue in the pool. Good job. How about this color?
Yellow.
All right, let's put that in there.
Oh, now it's kind of rainbow candy.
What color is that?
Orange.
Got it? Whoa!
Oh, now there was one.
Is there another one in there? There you go. What color is that?
Purple.
All right, we got two more colors. What color are these?
Pink.
All right, last one. What color candy is that?
White.
All right, white candy.
No more. The rainbow candy! Wee! Wee! All the rainbow candy. So cool. All your friends in the pool.
Yeah, all of our friends are getting in the pool.
Okay, friends in the pool.
Yeah?
They pick all the friends in the pool. Maybe get the friends in one pool too. Wee! Wee! Yeah! There's so many here.
Watch out! Oh
Ah!
no! Look, Katie can go down the slide. Whoa! Here goes Susie Sheep. Oh. I think Mommy Pig needs a shower.
So dirty.
So dirty.
Mommy Pig on a shower. Pig gonna go in a shower.
There she goes. All clean.
Ow!
Oh no! Splash.
Splash in the water.
It's Susie Sheep's turn to take a shower. All clean, Susie. Now you can go on the diving board. What? Oh dear.
Are you okay, Peppa?
Is she okay? Did she fall down?
I fell with the back.
She fell on her back. I think she's okay.
I fell with the slide.
Gotta be careful, Peppa. See, she's okay.
Is it better?
Is that better?
I fell with the grass.
Yeah, she fell in the grass.
And dry off.
Yeah.
It's down the slide. Come on, George. Let's steal. Okay, Papa and George get the pool.
You gonna pour that in the pool?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Come on, Rapids. Come on, my big. Ow!
Oh no!
Bye, Peppa and George.
Bye, Peppa and George. See you later.
So much here. Oh, right. Let's count the numbers. What number is that? No. What number is that? What number is that?
What number is that?
1.
Good job.
And the number is next. 2. What number is next? 3.
Good job.
What numbers? What number is that?
What number is that?
4. What number is that? Where's the 5 go?
Where's the 5 go?
And now where's that? 6.
Good job.
Let's go to the upper hill. That was fun. Oh, green. No, okay. Let's go to the upper hill. And go up a hill. And go up a hill.
Is it going up the hill?
And go up a hill.
Oh no!
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Red.
Good job.
That blue.
What about blue?
No, green. Now I can put it down here. Now to the pentagon.
It's a hexagon, not a pentagon. Hexagon.
Hexagon. The pentagon. Let's see how we put it down here.
Good job.
How orange. And put the bees back in here.
Wow, good job. Look, kids, there are honeybees buzzing around the playhouse. Can you help me put the bees back in their beehive? Let's use tweezers so we don't hurt them. Look, it's a red bee. Where should we put it? How about here in the middle with the red hexagon? Here we go, yellow bee. Let's put you back in your home. Where should we put the yellow bee? Down here in the yellow hexagon. Good job. How about this purple bee? Where should we put the purple bee? Up here. Alright, we have 3 bees left. Here's a green bee. Let's put it down here. There you go, bee. 2 more bees left. We got the blue one. Where should we put the blue one? That's right, up here. Last one. It's the orange bee. Let's put the orange bee in the orange hexagon. Alright, now that we have our bees safely in their beehive, how about we plant them a cactus so they can get some nectar to make honey? Alright, let's start with the stalk of the cactus. And now let's add these bigger green arms. Oh, it fell over. This is a balancing cactus, so we gotta make sure to balance it. Let's try that again. Put one here, and put one here. That way it'll be even. Now for the medium-sized branches. It's starting to look like a cactus now. I think the bees are gonna like this. Now let's add the yellow, orange, and red ones. These are the flowers of the cactus. The bees can get nectar from the flowers. Alright, 2 more, and we'll have our cactus. Awesome! Doesn't it look cool? Alright, let's see if we can gently add the bees to the cactus. 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, our last one. And 6. All 6 bees are on our cactus. Now maybe they can make us some honey. Oh wow, they did! Look at that! That looks so yummy! Thank you, bees! Alright everybody, I hope you had fun. Tune in next time and I'm gonna try some of this honey. Bye!